Hey up. I've come on a explore to a prototype air raid shelter that was built years ago. I've seen a video online, but I thought I'd make one myself and take you with me. It will be shot raw. I won't edit it, so if you get bored halfway through, 2 minutes in or whatever, I'm sorry. It's very windy outside, so there might be a load of wind noise as well. Can't do out about that. So let's go and have a look, in a bit. So I think it's in this field here. So I've got to try and get over this fence without cutting my hands up. Should be fun, eh? Oh god, I will cut my hands up on that. And the gate don't open because there's a barrier here. I don't know what I can use to get over this gate because the top's all sharp. Let me try this. Oh yeah, get in. So I think the air raid shelter is over there in this field. And I bought my torch. And if it ain't in this field, oh yeah, right, let's go and have a look. About to chop my hand up on that gate. So it's probably an easier way in than that, but hey ho. Hey up, dog. How you up? Oh dear, you're jumping up me now. Come on. You alright? Hey up, dogs. Hey up, dogs. So I think these are them here. Oh yeah, boy. These are them. Right, well here we are, so hopefully there won't be much wind noise down here. Oh my god, these are absolutely awesome. Hopefully that you can see it. Hold on, let me check what you can see. Oh well, the torches are working not too bad. Let me point you about there. Well, I will say it's there, the dry light down here. I'll turn around, look. Oh my God. This is the first time I've been down out like this. It's absolutely brilliant. Oh, and this must be another way in here, look. So I shall go out. Ow, just cracked my head open. So I've probably just walked in there, that end, and I've walked along here, look, and now I've come out here. So let's go back down and let's carry on with the explore. A little, I don't know what you call that. So I was told that these were some kind of prototype air raid shelters for the iron works that used to be on this site. Whether that's true or not, I really haven't got a clue. Whether people used them during war times in England, I haven't got a clue. So hopefully one of you will know. But so I've reached another way that you can get out. There's another little thing in here. Look, I'll walk in and just turn around, look. So let's go out this one, see how far we are down. So we're literally just there. We've walked what, 10-15 feet. So let's go back inside. Do you know what? If I was a local kid, I would love it down here. God, you can hang down here like with your mates, play some music, build a den. I mean, it's that dry light down here. I mean, I don't know why. Well, why they ain't homeless people down here, but right. So we've reached another door. Here's another one of those cubbyhole things, I think I'm going to call it. And there's some more steps out. Let's go out. You can see we're another bit further down. So so let's go back inside. Oh. Oh, so here's a way in, but it's all overgrown. I mean, you could get out there, I guess. There's a big wheel up down there, and it looks like it's off a lorry. I shall carry on. Shall I turn around, like, just so you know, like, where we've come from? I mean, it's remarkably dry, like down here. Wow. I'm guessing here's another way out. So let me just put my phone. I mean, I can hear lots of bees here. I hope there ain't a bee's nest. Oh, so let's go out and see where we are. Oh, so I think that's probably the end of it. So I've literally, well, we've walked, haven't we? We've just come out of here. So what I do is I walk round on the outside and let's show you the top of it. So let's go. Actually, you know, I don't know whether there's more, because oh no, there is more. I think these are also air raid shelters here. Well, that's got water in that has. Here's another mysterious pipe that goes down, look, into water down there. I mean, I would say with all that being green, I'd say there was water there, and that's what's grown the vegetation green. The same here, look, patchy but green. So I reckon there's a way in. In fact, I can see some graffiti down here. So I think we've found ourselves another shelter. So let's go and have a look. Oh my God. This one's well, you can see this one's full of water. I mean, I can gently walk on that lot. Well, it's not very well, it is quite long. It goes down there, look. There's all manner of rubbish on the floor, look. Might be somewhere in interesting, but I haven't got my wellies or waders, so we'll just have to look around the outside, and I'll try and see if I can walk down at the other end. But yeah. Wow. Anyway, let's go. Let's go, people. So I think down there is where I've been, but I'm gonna walk. We'll walk down here. Look. So it's mad, so I can't see another way in or light, but now I realise like what it is. I'm getting a bit disorientated. So basically we got in this end, and when we were down there we turned the corner and looked that way. So where the light was is there. So based on that, this might be one here. So this is another little shelter, but it's full of water. It's probably full of water on both sides. Can't really see. Tell you what, there's all these thorns here, look. Let me try and break a few down. Oh, the things I do for you lot, well, and me. I bloody love this sort of thing. So we're down in this one. Whew. There's someone's towel there. There's a lot of flies about. There's mud all over the floor. So we'll have to see how it goes, how far I can get in. Well, I'm in. The floor's very muddy. Oh, and as you can see, well, there's not a lot to see in here. There's a debris at that end, and there's just, see, on the floor. Hey up, so that's the end of the explore. We've walked in and we've walked down all the way down there, inside, underground, in the old air raid shelters. And it's been wicked. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you on the next one in a bit. Just all water, well, hopefully you can see up to the end. So, like, yet again, I haven't got me Wellington boots or waders, so shan't be going down there. But we know that this one and the other one, the parallel, are two short shelters with an entrance at both ends, but we can't use both entrances. I mean, I think even this one's blocked up with debris. It's probably to keep the kids out. But when the others are, I mean, you can see what we've climbed through here, look. So let's get out of here and carry on walking across the top. Oh, jeez. So, like, yet again, we've been down here, and we've looked that way, and we went down that one and looked that way. So now we're going to walk across this field. Well, not across the field, but so here's the top of the shelters where we come in. So I've parked my car, I've jumped that gate, we've walked around this at the fence line, and we've found a way in down at the bottom here, and we've walked all the way inside, and we've popped up at various places where we can, and then we've come out here. So it's quite a good. So it's quite a good. So here's where we walked down. We've parked over there in the gateway, jumped the fence, we've walked down here, look. We've walked here, and then we've walked, and that's where we began the explore. So we walked in there, and then we've walked down and round. So you can probably find your way in here a lot better than me. I mean, I've jumped the gate, as you've seen, but ain't this amazing? Hold on, I'll pause you. It's actually harder than you think trying to get off something like that. But basically I climbed over and I've walked over there, look. So I've now got to try and get over here without breaking my neck. And cut my hands open on this bloody gate. In fact, I might just jump. It's only like a 4-foot jump. Oh, there you go. Oh.